Oh, great people, it's the last day of February, and one of the things we talked about was to set up a birdhouse for birds. Birds need shelter, birds need food, and birds need somewhere to stay, as well as it's just great for the overall ecosystem and environment. Therefore, we're gonna end this bad boy with our very own birdhouse for the garden. Let's get to it! What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, great people? It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. I am back again for yet another awesome gardening video, okay? And like I said, this one is all about the birds, okay? Shout out to the birds that are flying in the air, and then for those that will be living in this birdhouse. And so, like I said, in the beginning of the year, beginning of the month, I always shout out and say different things that you should grow, should do, and how to prepare your garden for that particular month. And one of the things we talked about was to prepare and to think about the birds. We did a hummingbird feeder the other week or so from now, but then today we will do a birdhouse, okay? And so I will put a link down in the description as well as in the comment section where you can purchase this birdhouse as well, in which, you know, if you choose to do so, I would greatly appreciate it. It will help your boy out, okay, due to a partnership that I have with the company. So with that being said, shout out to you all for making this video come true, as well as for anybody that looks to have a birdhouse. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of this, and I'll show you as well where it will go and how you can set it up in your garden. Yeah. All right, great people. So this is actually my first time having a birdhouse, largely because Crystal is scared of birds. So we're gonna see how this all works out and operates. Okay, it's a box in a box. I'll take that. I'll take that. Just like so. Boom, boom, boom. It's gonna be nice and packaged for you when it does come to your home. It does have a sticker of the company Emerging Green, greater awareness and better choices. Shouts out to you all for making this video come true. All right, great people. Oh, I'm so thankful. I just had some furniture I had to put together, and looks like this one will have to be another one of those things because it's already put together. How about that? Oh, and it smells good too. Shouts out to you all when you do purchase your very own birdhouse. It also will come with a card just like so, the Emerging Green Company. But then there's also a little scanner situation where you can scratch. It's going to give you a coupon code to go to the website in which you may win something. All right. Also, what you will be able to do is, well, what they give are some brackets and screws which allow for you to drill this in. I presume if you're looking to drill it into, that's interesting. Okay, boom, boom, boom. So I'm just taking inventory of everything. We looking at this together. I'm unboxing it. I'm not gonna call it a critique, but just unboxing it. Let me see what this does and how this does. I'm taking it, yep, you turn it there, and there's your birdhouse. Oh, I like it because there's even a net, or excuse me, a screen situation, which allows for the birds to be on clean grounds, right? So I can put some hay in there, and then the birds can sit on there. They'll do all their little pooping situation, and I'll be able to clean it out when necessary. I like how this is all set up. So with that being open, I could then take this here situation, which also comes into the bag, and be able to screw it into a tree if I want to drill into a tree or anything like that. But I'm gonna just allow for this to sit somewhere in the front, nice and dandy. It's already fabricated. Nice. Screws are very nicely done. And then just to control this here opening area, there's a little latch right there like so, to keep predators out, to keep birds in. I love that. I even love the ring. It looks very nice. Has the logo on the front, Emerging Green. Shouts out to you all. But then even if you wanted to paint it, you can do so. I do like that being an option. Very nice done. As far as the wood is concerned, craftsmanship is wonderful. Here is our first birdhouse. Now, we know chickens are coming to the channel. However, this is the first birdhouse we have. Maybe I'll take this design to do the birdhouse. But nonetheless, I do have some hay that I'm going to put in here. And then I'm going to put this bad boy out for the birdie birds immediately. I already have some hay from the garden that I'm gonna just go ahead and stick in here like so. In which birds also bring in what they feel necessary to make it a nice cozy home. So I don't have to be excessive or do anything like, you know, anything too great or little. But nonetheless, I did want to have a start for them so that they know, oh man, this is a cool space to come into. So, you know, and I might even do like a little fun project with the kids, allowing them to help me to paint this bad boy just to bring them involved with the whole process. Y'all know Ricky has the kids and he loves the kids. So let's go ahead and put it where it's gonna be. All right, so what I decided to do was to use a couple of hooks that I had around. This is the Birdhouse 2-pack hook, which I'm gonna just use to hook it along the front gate that I have of my home. And so let me just go ahead. I have this here drill. I need to make the holes a little bit bigger. It does come with holes at the top. I didn't notice it during the unbox, but it does come with holes at the top. And so I'm gonna use those pre-drill holes to just extend the holes for the hooks themselves. All right, let's see. Boom. Boom. Works. Boom. And there we have it, great people. It's ready to be hooked. Let's go. And just like that, great people, we have a birdhouse in the garden. As you can see, it's going in the front area of where my grow bags are located currently. But nonetheless, we have a good old birdhouse, which I put it in proportion to where my front door window is, excuse me, my front window is, so that I'll be able to see the bird life that may be taking place and going on here in the garden. And so yeah, I'll keep you all posted. Also, let me know in the comment section if you have a birdhouse, or if you may have purchased a purchase a birdhouse now that you see this bad boy. But it looks good, it feels good, like I said, and I'll be able to paint it when necessary. Now that is a way of how to end the month of February, okay? Thinking about the animals around, as well as, you know, having fun doing so. That was a nice, quick, and easy video. But nonetheless, we are going into the month of March, which happens to be my birthday month. So y'all already know I'm about to have so much fun starting on tomorrow when we talk about different things we should do, could do, and can grow in our gardens in the month of March. But nonetheless, make sure you stay tuned, make sure you have fun. And if you do purchase a birdhouse, please use the link down below. It will help me as it helps you, as well as the birds that will be happy that they do have a bird home to fly into. Okay, great people, I love you all. Until next time, remember, you don't have to garden alone, but you can always garden with me. Love you all. Peace.